Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find minimum number of increments on subarrays to form a target array. So you will be given an integer array called target. All you have to find minimum numbers. Minimum numbers of increments you have to make. So the problem statement says like you'll be given the target and you will have to make it by incrementing the subarrays. So your initial value will be, if you have a look at the problem, your initial the integer array of initial size, the same size of target, and initial value will be 0. You have to increase by 1, like you can increase by 1. So for this one, your initial value will be 0. How many numbers there? 5 numbers there. So initial value will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And the problem statement says like you can increase the value by 1 only, and all the subarrays, like all the subarrays you can any subarray, and you can increment each value by 1. Okay, and you have to find out like how many operation or how many like increment you have to make the target array, right? So first, our minimum value is 1, right? Yeah, minimum value is 1, so we can make 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 from this one, right? Then what we need? This one we need 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we got this one, this one. Now we need to increase this subarray, right? So what we can do? We can like increase these three arrays, right? Means subarray. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So we got 2 now as well. Now we need 3. So we can increase this one only, right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So how many operations we need? 1, 2, and 3. If you have a look, the answer will be 3, right? Now, for this one, if I explain this one, so, so that one, like the problem statement says we can only increase the subarrays, right? So we cannot just increase any random numbers. So first of all, our arrays will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Now we have to make 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. We have to look what is the minimum number? 1. So we can easily go for 1, right? Now, if you have a look for this one, if we cut this one, so now our arrays got splitted on divided by 2, right? This one is one subarray, this one is one subarray, right? So if we wanna make this one 3, we need 2 more operations. So if we do like this, we whenever we're gonna increase any value of any subarrays, we can't touch any other subarrays. So till 3, so this one will be 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, then 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so we got our 3. So if we cut this, now only we need this one. So like for 2, 4, 5, we need to increase, right? So we can go till 2, right? We already have 1, so we can increase it, right? So 3, 1, and 2, 2, 2. Okay, we got our 2. Now we need 5 and 4. We have like 2 here, so we can go till 3. 3, 3. We are increasing now these 2 elements, right? 3, 3, and 2. Now if we go more, we need 5 and 4, right? We have 3, 3. Then we can increase one more, right? 3, oh no. Yeah, increasing both of them, 4, 4, and 2. Okay, so we got our 4. Now we need 5. So we can increase this value 1. So 1, 5, 4, and 2. So that's how we can get our desired answer, right? Now, how many operations we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need 7, 7 operations. If you have a look at the answer is 7. Now, to solve this question, Like initially, it looks like a bit tricky. We need dynamic programming, blah 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 blah. But if you think, uh, yeah, if you think in a different way, it's really simple. So what I gonna do, I gonna paste it here, and what I'm telling you to think about, like, okay, if I draw it like a wall, like this one is 3, so I'll put 3 block here. Okay, pardon my handwriting or drawing. And this one is 1, so 3, 1, then 5. So for 5, I'm gonna make like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna make 5. This one, 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then I need 4, so till 4 I need. Then I need 2, 2 I need. Okay, 4, 2. Now, what we have to do, like, if you think, if I can make this 3, means I can make rest of the thing till here, right? Okay, so I'll go only on right side, right? So I'll only take this one. So there I got 3. Now here I came and I found 1 is bottom. So if I can make 3, I can always make this one, right? So I will not count this one. Now after 1, I found a large one, right? So what is the difference from 5 to 1? It's 4, right? So here we got one more difference, which is 4. Mm, So 4 I got. Now if I can make 4 here, we can make all the fellows down here, right? Because we can take sub-arrays. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 4. Now, if the array says the array is, for example, 1, 5, or 1, 3. Okay. Now, here, if you can build it, you can build till there, right? And as there is only 1, we cannot build it up, so it will be split it again on 3 part, right? 1, 2, and 3. So if I draw here, so so 1 and again 3. So 1 and 3. So for this one, again, we have to take 2 more, right? So 2 more. So then the answer will be 3 plus 4 plus 2, which will be 7, 8, 9, 9. I hope you got it, right? So that's how, if you think, the problem will looks like more easier. I hope you got it. So now, if there is like one more tree, so you'll draw like this, right? For this one, we don't need another value, right? Because we can consider this one as a one sub-array, and we can keep increasing the values. That's it. So all we have to do, we have to find the difference. Like, we have to find, is the next number is bigger. If it is bigger, then we have to find difference, and we have to keep adding with our response. Our first response will be the first one, right? With 3. And after that, we will be keep adding the bigger value. So if I write it, the response will be target of 0, and then at the end I'll be returning response. Now if I run a for loop for I equal to, I'll start from 1, I less than target dot size, I plus plus, and what I'll be doing, I'll be saying like, if target of I is greater than target of I minus 1, then response is equal to target of I. If it is greater, then just at target of I minus 1. That's it. Or you can say like response plus equal to maximum value of target of I minus target of I minus 1 or 0. So it will take the maximum value. If it is like, if the next value is less than, like smaller, then it will be 0, right? Or we can go for this one as well. If I run my code, it should be get accepted. It is. And if I submit my code, it is accepted, guys. Thank you so much.